Today we'll be talking about the LM880. It's the wall button with an LED display. On this button, we are able to program time to close, remote controls, amongst other things. So, on the 880, you'll have your menu here. Let's set up the clock first. We'll go into change time. Right now it's 12:30. And done. Now our time is saved. Since we live in Canada, let's change this over to Celsius. Awesome. Now we have our time and we have the temperature recording in Celsius. So the time to close feature is a very convenient option. It will automatically close your door after 1, 5, or 10 minutes. Let's set this up for 1 minute. The lock feature disables all wireless remotes. On the 880, we have the program. In here, we can program a remote. So the lock feature currently is disabled. If we, to enable the lock feature, press on, and now the remotes are locked. If we try to use our programmed remote control, the door will not open. If you look over on your light will flash 2 times. On the LiftMaster 880, we also have a secret menu. Press the menu button, press and hold the light button, and press the second. Now you're in the secret menu of the LiftMaster. We'll check the cycle count on our garage door opener, and we have used it 1,144 times. At about 10,000 times is a good time to get the door serviced, and typically the LiftMaster 880 will let you know that servicing is required for your garage door. On one of the settings, you will see that there's 5 transmitters programmed, 2 MyQ accessories, 4 wall controls, and no keyless entries. And you can also check the software of the garage door opener. We've gone over the LiftMaster 880, and hopefully you'll be able to know how to use all of the features on your wall button.